Rebecca with Air Power Manufacturing Solutions, and we're here with another edition of Air Power Live. Today we have Ed Shirley with Dynabrade, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of a sander. Tell us what you got today, Ed.
Okay, Rebecca, thank you for your time. Today we have the Extreme X61. I want to point out on the very front or on the very outside of the box, every item, every tool that we ship out, it's going to have the part number and a brief description of what's inside that box. So now let's open up and see what we have in there. Okay, the first item we're going to have is the Pneumatic Tool Safety and Operating Guidelines. Every item that we ship out, every tool that we ship out is going to have this very important information. The next item is the actual sander itself, the X61 Extreme. This sander has a 0.3 motor, the strongest motor on the market, has ergonomic handle, where if you're using it and your palm is you have big hands or even small hands, your wrist is going to sit right back here. Has less vibration than any other sander on the market, and also in the box we have the wrench that would actually loosen, or you can actually change the pad. Put the wrench in here, unscrew the pad, put on the new pad, and you're good to go for the next pad usage.
So Ed, when would you use this tool in the real world? What's a good application for this?
Great question. Marine, metal, and wood. The wood industry is going to be like cabinet makers, manufacturers that make tables. Anytime they're doing any type of sanding, whether it be horizontal or vertical. In the metal industry, a lot of times if you're trying to get it to, trying to put sand it before it gets the powder coat, you would want to use this type of tool. And it has this tool actually has two orbits. It has a 3/32 orbit and a 3/16 orbit. And what that means is, if you can look, the actual orbit of the tool, it's a rotary, and then it also has the elliptical where you're going to turn it around. So therefore, it's turning in a rotary motion, and within that rotary motion, it has a 3/16 or a 3/32 orbit.
What sets this tool apart from the competition?
Well, less vibration, you have your palm support, and you have made in the USA. And right now, there's very few manufacturers, especially air tool manufacturers, that are made in the USA. And Dynabrade is one of them, and we're very proud of that. Dynabrade actually started in 1969 up in Clarence, New York. And that's where all the tools are manufactured.
All right. Well, thank you, Ed. We appreciate you coming on Air Power Live with us today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. And I appreciate the opportunity to come out here and talk about Dynabrade.
All right. This has been another edition of Air Power Live.